If you want to add just one person to your MailChimp audience, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it step by step. This is perfect when you need to add a new subscriber, update your list manually, or save a contact without importing a full spreadsheet. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple MailChimp tutorials. Alright, let's walk through it. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you manage more than one audience or workspace. After you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Audience. This is where MailChimp stores all of your contacts, subscribers, and audience settings. On this page, you'll be able to manage existing contacts and add new ones. Now, in the upper right corner, click Add Contacts. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, select Add a single contact. This option is the easiest way to manually add one person without importing a file. Next, you'll see the contact entry form. Start by typing the person's email address into the email address field. This part is very important, so make sure the address is valid and spelled correctly. Even a small typo can cause delivery problems later, so double check it before moving on. Once the email is entered, fill in the basic contact information, add the first name if you have it, and then add the last name as well. These details are useful because they help you personalize your email campaigns later. Personalized emails often feel more professional and can improve engagement. After that, click to open the additional contact details section. This is where you can add more useful information about the contact, fill in the address details if you have them, and enter the phone number if it's available. You can also complete any other fields that you know are relevant to the contact. The more accurate information you enter, the easier it will be to organize your audience and send more targeted campaigns in the future. Just make sure you only add details you actually have and that your information is correct. Before finishing, take one last look over everything. Check the email address, verify the name fields, review the address, and confirm the phone number and any other details you added. A quick review now can save you from needing to edit the contact later. When everything looks good, click Add Contact. MailChimp will save the contact to your audience, and the person will now appear in your contact list. From there, you can segment them, tag them, or include them in future email campaigns depending on your setup. And that's it. You've now added a single contact to MailChimp manually. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.